2575 Gaar Scott. They're running a 125 maximum PSI. That's down a little bit from factory. Right now they're building up their pressure. When they get ready to go, they'll bring it up to speed, give us a toot. He said we're not going to do a full pull. We're wander up, 35, 40 horse, just see what's there. I think that's what we said. Oh dear, you've got this on recorded, don't you?
You'll be YouTube famous.
How much is it going to cost me to have you destroy that so I don't get in legal trouble?
Question?
We've got a 2575 Gaar Scott, 25 boiler horsepower, should be 75 in the belt. We're not going to look for the 75 today. I'm calling off pairs of numbers. First number is the pounds of force these arms are pushing on the load cell. Second number is the RPM of the brake wheel. I got, we're going to call that 55 pounds, 286 RPM. Very quiet. Somebody hold that garden hose up so it doesn't get worn out. Please hold the garden hose up. Thank you. No, stepping on it won't do any good. Okay, 66 and 287. There we got 77 and 285. About 22 horse. 83 and 282.
23.4.
23 and a half. 90 and 283.
25 and a half.
97, 280. 27, 2. 104, 279. 29. 115, 278. 32. That is a unique sound of a double cylinder steam engine. That's the same sound that a steam train would make highballing down the railroad 100 years ago. If the single cylinder, whoop, that one's a double also, isn't it? If a single cylinder came by, well, that's a single cylinder case right there. When that runs, it sounds very different. That double cylinder steam engine cylinder steam engine, that thing is putting out 4 power strokes per revolution. If you get an internal combustion engine, like the engine on that Alice Chalmers, to get 4 power strokes per revolution, you need 8 cylinders. Very, very smooth engine.
106, yeah, roughly around there, right around. Okay.
There, we're right in that 30, 32 horsepower. Now you can tell by the sound and also by how the smoke is coming out that there's not so much load. Give it some load and watch how that smoke column stands up a little bit. It's getting shot higher up in the air. The exhaust steam from the engine is shot up the stack. You can call it the Bernoulli effect, the Venturi effect, it's the same thing. That high-speed gas going up the stack creates a vacuum up here in the smoke box end. And that brings fresh air, that vacuum brings fresh air through the firebox, making it easier to fire that thing. And the harder we pull it, the more that would do. I'm going to walk down and check with the crew for a minute.